Hare Krishna. Kindly accept my obeisances. Who all Vaishnava feet, whoever will listen this Granthra Srimad Bhagavata 1.17, who listen this class. Kindly accept my obeisances in your feet. Hare Krishna. Om Ajnanatimirandhasya Jnananjansalakaya Chakshurunmilitan Yenam Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Vyayapataka Swami Iti Namini Nama Acharya Padaya Nitya Kirpa Pradayine Gaur Katha Dhamadaya Nagar Gram Tarini Namah Vishnupadaya Krishna Preshtaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamin Iti Namini Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamudire. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopes Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Mrtbhanusute Devi Hare Hare. Namo Mahabadanyaya Krishna Prema Paradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namni Gauratusve Namah. Sri Chaitanya Manobishtam Istapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Sa Padantikam Bande Aham Sri Guru Sri Yutapada Kamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadhvetam Savadhutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padam Sagana Lalita Sri Visakanvitam Cha. He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenabandhu Jagatpate Gopes Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishwanusute Devi Pranamami Hari Pri. Vancha kalpatarubhesya kripa sindhuve evacha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunj Vihari Jaya Gopi Jan Vallabha Jaya Girivardhari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunj Vihari Jaya Gopi Jan Vallabha Jaya Girivardhari Jaya Radha Madhava Jaya Kunj Vihari Gopi Jana Vallabha Jaya Girivardhari Hare Krishna. Srimad Bhagavatam 1.1.7 Canto 1 Chapter 1 Text 7 Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Vasudeva Parabheda Vasudeva Paramakha Vasudeva Parayoga Vasudeva Parakirya Vasudeva Paramjnana Vasudeva Paratapa Vasudeva Parodharmo Vasudeva Pragati Vasudevam Sutam Devam Kanschanurmardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Deenbandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Toya Khalu Puranani Setihasani Janaga Akhyatani Abhititani Dharma Sastrani Nyanyata Krishne Swadhamo Pagati Dharma Jnana Divisa Kalo Nashto Dishamesa Puranarko Udinodita Nashtapraye Svabhadreshu Nityam Bhagavat Sevaya Bhagavati Uttama Sloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtukim Yani Ved Vidam Sreshto Bhagavan Badarayana Anye cha munaya sota paravar vido vido Yani Ved Vidam Sreshto Bhagavan Badarayana Anye cha munaya sota paravar vido vido Yani Ved Vidam Sreshto Bhagavan Badarayana Anyech Munaya Sota Paravar Vido Vido Yani Ved Vidam Sreshto Bhagavan Badarayana Anyech Munaya Sota Paravar Vido Vido All that, yani all that, Veda, Vidam, scholars of the Vedas, Sreshta, senior most, Bhagavan, incarnation of Godhead, Badarayana, Ved Vyas, Anye others, Cha, and Munaya, the sages, Shuta, O Shuta Goswami, Para Ora Vidaha, among the learned scholars, one who is conversant with physical and metaphysical knowledge. Vidu, one who knows. Being the eldest learned Vedantist, O Suta Goswami, you are acquainted with the knowledge of Vyasadeva, who is the incarnation of Godhead, and you also know other sages who are fully versed in all kinds of physical and metaphysical knowledge. Purport. Translation and purport of A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai. Srimad Bhagavatam is a natural commentation on the Brahma Sutra or the Badrayani Vedanta Sutra. It is called natural because Vyasadeva is author of both the Vedanta Sutra and Srimad Bhagavatam, or the essence of all Vedic literatures. Besides Vyasadeva, there are other sages who are the authors of 6 different philosophical systems, namely Gautama, Kannada, Kapila, Patanjali, Jamini, and Ashtavakra. Theism is explained completely in the Vedanta Sutra, whereas in other systems of philosophical speculations, practically no mention is given to the ultimate cause of all causes. One can sit on the Vyasasana only after being convergent in all systems of philosophy, so that one can present fully the theistic view of the Bhagavatam. In defense of all other systems, Srila Suta Goswami was the proper teacher, and therefore the sages at Naimisarnaya elevated him to the Vyas Asana. Srila Vyasadeva is designated herein as the personality of Godhead because he is the authorized, empowered incarnation. Real things is bhakti, what you can offer to Krishna. Everything belongs to Krishna. What you have got, what is your value, and what is the value of your things? It is nothing. Therefore, real thing is bhaktya. Real thing is your feeling. Krishna, kindly take it. I have not qualification. I am most rotten, fallen, but beings to cry. I have brought these things for you. Please take it, this will be accepted. Don't be puffed up. Srila Prabhupada Maharaj told this, that we should cry, we should pray, I am most rotten fallen, but being to cry, I have brought these things for you. This Srila Prabhupada Maharaj narrated this. Please take it. This will be accepted. Don't be puffed up. What telling it? Then if you will pray to Supreme Lord Sri Krishna, then this will accepted. We telling Srila Prabhupada Maharaj, and don't puffed up. Don't puffed up. Pray and cry. Don't think that, oh, you are very big. Tell that I am the rotten soul. I don't know anything, but I have brought these things for you. Please take it. This will be accepted. Don't be puffed up. Always be careful. You are dealing with Krishna. This is my request. This instruction gave A.C. Bhaktivedanta Srila Prabhupada Maharaj for we all us. Here, Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter 22, explaining with the example of being watching, ending up in depression. Bhagavad Gita as it is 5.22, Karma Yoga, action in Krishna consciousness. ये संस्पर्शजा भोगा दुखयो नय येवते आदिवंत कौन्तेया न तेषु रमते बुधा. यही संस्पर्शा जा भोगा दुखा योना येवते आदि अंतवंतः कौन्तेया न तेषु रमते बुधा. Certainly, some sansparsa by contact with the material senses, bhoga, enjoyments, dukkha, distress, yonaya, sources of eva, certainly they are adi, beginning anta, end vantaha, subject to Kaunteya, O son of Kunti, never tesu, in those ramate te teja, delight Buddha, the intelligent person. Intelligent person does not take part in the source of misery, which are due to contact with the material senses, O son of Kunti, such pleasures have a beginning and in end, and so the wise man does not delight in them. Material senses pleasure, sense pleasures are due to the contact of the material senses, which are all temporary because the body itself is temporary. A liberated soul is not interested in anything which is temporary, knowing well the joy of transcendental pleasure. How can I, liberated soul, great to enjoy false pleasure? In the Padma Purana it is said, Ramate Yognyo Nante Satyananda Satchitanand Atmani iti Rama padena so param barama vidhiyate. Through the word of Srila Prabhupada, previous Acharya, we know how to practice the Krishna consciousness movement, and if we stick to the principle of service, their order, then there is no doubt that this movement will go on receiving the ultimate blessing of Krishna. Srimad Bhagavata, which is the very means of conquest, one should offer respectful obeisances unto the personality of Godhead of Narayana Rishi, the supreme human being, unto Mother Saraswati, the goddess of learning, and unto Srila Vyasadeva, the author. Text 5. Munaya sadhu pristo ham bhavadhir loka. Mangalam Mangalam ye kirtaha Krishna संप्रासनो येन आत्मा supersedati. 5. O sages, I have been justly questioned by you. Your questions are worthy because they relate to Loka, Lord Krishna, and so are of uh, relevance to the world's welfare. Only questions of this sort are chapter of completely satisfying the self. Text 6. Save punsa paro dharmo yatho bhakti adhokshaje. अहेतु की अपर्तिहता ययात्मा supersedati. Translation: The supreme occupation dharma for all humanity, it that by which man can attain to loving devotional service unto the transcendental Lord. Such devotional service must be unmotivated and uninterrupted to completely satisfy the self. Text 7. Vadu Deva Bhagavati Bhakti Yoga Pariyo Nitya. Pariyonita Jnanam Chayad Ahetukam. 7. Translation: by rendering devotional service unto the personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna, one immediately acquires causeless knowledge and detachment from the world. Text 8. Dharma swanusistitaha pumsam visivakshena kathasu ya no padayad yadi ratim ashrama yevahi kevalam. Translation: The occupational activity a man performs according to his own position are only so much useless labor if they do not provoke attraction for the messages of the personality of Godhead. Hare Krishna. I will close my talk with this. Whoever are listening, my Dandavata Pranam to with in their feet.